What's up, kids? It is September 7th. It is week 1 of the NFL season, which means it is finally week 1 of the YOLOFIsh FFL. Let's jump right into it. This week is an interdivision week, which means you'll play somebody from the opposite division. Now, for those of you idiots out there who don't know, our divisions are split into 2 groups of 6 teams each named after I'll say a favorite woman of mine through the time that we prepare for the draft. First, in the Kate Cummings division, we have both Coyles, both McAllens, TJ, and McGrath. Very, very strong division. And in the Brooke Wild division, we have myself, Patrick Troy, Danny Jensen, Jack, Walt, and Sokol. Not nearly as strong. Thanks a lot, Walt. Alright, so in our first matchup of the week, we have McGrath taking on Jack. Jack looks to be about a 14.5-point favorite, which is a little surprising. He's favored, it looks like, in pretty much every lineup slot with the exception of the 2 quarterbacks and starting running back. We'll see if that changes as we get any closer to game time. Our next matchup features myself, your commissioner, and Cole Coyle. This one looks to be closer to an even matchup. Right now, Cole's sitting at about a 4.5-point favorite. But that one's going to be tight down to the wire, I think. It really depends on the arm of rookie quarterback Dak Prescott for your boy commissioner. And probably will come down to Cole's running game. He's got 2 big running backs in Mark Ingram and Todd Gurley. Let's see how they handle it. Our third matchup features Sokol and TJ. This one might be the closest matchup we have all week. Right now, TJ is about a 1.5-point underdog, which is surprising. But Sokol's team does look pretty good, powered by obviously Cam Newton and Genius Winston. He likes them running quarterbacks, if you know what I mean. While TJ's team is really focused on Julio Jones and DeAndre Hopkins, big, strong wide receivers who are going to make some plays for him. Our next matchup is Connor Coyle and Patrick Troy. Now at this point, Connor's about a 13-point favorite, even though it looks like Pat is favored in most of the lineup slots, as you can see there on the screen. The big points, however, for Connor coming in that he's favored in both quarterback and both starting running back slots, and as you know, that's where you get a lot of your points from. Jensen will take on McAllen, Battle of the Dans, with McAllen being about a 14-point favorite. No surprise here. Jensen still has Sean Hill in a quarterback, and he is going to suck. He's not even going to have a job next week, so we'll see if he makes any updates to that. But right now, Dan's going to be high-powered. Actually, McAllen stole Jimmy Garoppolo off the wire from Jensen now that I look at it, which is quite ironic. So good job, Jensen, picking that one up to replace Tom Brady for yourself. And our last matchup will be Ryan McAllen as a 17-point favorite taking on Walter Camacho. Not really much to say about this one, folks. Walt, I'd start practicing your yoga positions now, or body issue poses based on those pictures that we saw this morning. Either way, I'd get ready pretty quickly. I believe that's all I have for now. If you have any questions, any concerns, let your commissioner know. Things get started on Thursday Night Football with Panthers and the Broncos. We continue through Sunday, and then we have a doubleheader on Monday Night Football. So let's get into it. That's all for now.